We're about to go inside of this really disgusting hoarder house.
So we bought this house. We got it from a wholesaler, and we're gonna go check it out. I've seen a little bit of it. We're gonna let everybody see it for the first time. We all got our COVID mask on, so we're good to go.
Doorbell doesn't work. Oh, I think that's poop.
The smell.
That's maggots, bro.
Ugh.
Oh God, you're gonna break the door.
I got it.
Oh, I can't breathe in here.
I just don't know when the last time someone lived here was.
Oh no. Oh.
Wish we would have saw this before we bought it.
Look, it's a brand new blanket.
My mom used to make me watch this with her.
We got good stuff going. Elvis Presley. Can't go wrong with that.
This smells so bad.
I mean, it's pretty basic though. This is like 1,600 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Like usually we factor in like $1,000 to $2,000 for junk removal, but this is probably $7,000 to $8,000 of junk removal. We already got a few dumpsters sitting outside. I think I saw that on the Antique Roadshow. Hey Victoria, can you open the fridge?
I really don't want to. Oh my. Patrick, there are ants crawling in that
We're
thing.
gonna pass right there. This looks like it was the poop bed. There's just a bed with a lot of poop on it. So, but I mean, we buy these because not a lot of other people will, or they won't be as competitively priced as us.
They sure won't.
But once we get all the junk out, I mean,
people will never know.
We know what to do with it. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in the best area of Murfreesboro. It just seems really bad, and it smells really bad, and it looks really bad, but this will be good though.
We gotta go check out the back sheds.
Oh, getting us some air!
No.
Bro, have you ever seen one of these?
I feel it.
They're at the gym.
This is what they used to use for air conditioning.
How accurate is that statement?
Oh,
I don't think that's accurate.
Someone let us know in the comments.
it's too much air. Most houses, I feel like if we can start rehab right when we purchase it or within that week, we're usually on a cosmetic flip that's a $20,000 or $30,000 budget. We're right around 3 to 4 weeks. But house like this with, you know, actual demo and we got to order windows, like could be 2 or 3 months because, you know, windows and cabinets are on order right now and they're taking 6 weeks to get here. You never know what you'll run into. This is the kitchen. We took the whole kitchen out. Like there was nothing to save. I told them we gotta demo this whole house. I think we're gonna take out all the drywall in the kitchen. The rest of the house is okay. We'll prime the floors and the walls, it'll be good, but the kitchen and the bathrooms were so nasty that we're taking it down to the studs. You know, everybody's got like a classic Chip Gaines video of just like wailing into a wall. But like, yeah, we could totally do that here because we're tearing through the walls of most of this house. This is like that 1990s trim, and we're not using that anymore. So they take it out of the whole house and they just sand it to make it look like one wall again, and we're good. The bathrooms and kitchen, when you come up under this tile, it's gonna be rotten. A lot of times in like a hallway bathroom like this, it'll just be like one of these yellow shower inserts, and we'll just glaze those with a nice white paint, and it turns out great. But this house was obviously super disgusting, so we're just gonna come in and drop one of those base inserts and then tile on the 3 walls around it, and it'll be like a nice tiled shower, and it'll look good. And it's still a lot cheaper than coming in and just tiling the entire thing. You just put the insert in, you tile the 3 walls around it, and it's really the difference in probably I'd say $3,000 or $4,000. Think about it, it always takes longer and it always costs more than what you originally think. And like, you know, obviously everybody that flips houses, like everybody knows that.